So the most important part here in this video, if you are a vegetarian, please skip this video. It's not meant for you. If you're a non-vegetarian, please stick out to the end. So what is up, everybody? So now I'm gonna do something that I have not done in this channel, that is to cook chicken. So basically chicken breast is the highest in protein, so we will be cooking that for our protein meal today. And the way we are gonna cooking is we're gonna pan fry it. Masala would be Indian, but the pattern would be kind of a Western. So this is a new recipe. I have tried this once. This is the second time I'm trying it. Basically the rules are here as simple. So what you do is get those chickens cleaned up real fast, just like that, so that there is no blood over it, because I don't eat blood. No, I can't consume blood because I'm a Christian. So we have a belief that blood is life, so we don't have any blood. I bet most of the Christians don't know this, but read your Bible once in a while, so you will get to know. So now we're gonna pound it, just to make sure that the chicken breast that we're taking is even on all the sides. So that's the first thing. So we're gonna use a hammer or just your fist. So this I'm gonna use it, and we're gonna punch it through it so that it gets even on all sides using your knuckles, just beating your meat. Alright, once we're done, it looks almost like this. So it's ready for, to go to the next process. We do something really different here. We're gonna use a knife here, to the back side of the skin. It's kind of penetrable, and we're gonna poke our knife into that, just to make sure that whatever masala we put on it, it goes into the system, and our chicken becomes the tastiest one. We don't want it to be uncooked on the one side and overcooked on the other side. That's why we even it out. So once we do this process, now we're gonna marinate it using the masala, as I told you. So the first one thing that goes into the system would be oil. So I'm using, what's that? Saloni. It's mustard oil. So a bit of mustard oil here. Oh, that's too much, I guess. Okay. And you can use, what's your part? Haldi powder. This is the must kind of ingredient. Of course, salt and pepper is gonna be the must always. But this is kind of also, ooh, I think it's just too much. Who cares? I'm cooking for myself. So I think it's all fun and games. Watch and learn, boys. Watch and learn. So don't shy away from putting a bit more salt on this, because chicken doesn't really have much effect because of the salt. And also even the pepper. Put as much as you want. You can put, but I'm not a huge fan of too much hot chicken, so I'll be putting it a little bit less. And the garam masala powder, for whatsoever reason, I don't know. So I'll be putting it simply, just to not be left out, because it's in my pocket. So now we're gonna mix it. So we're gonna wait for maybe an hour or two for it to marinate completely. We're gonna have our lunch and then come back and do this process again. And not this exact process, but we're going to be pan frying it later. So this is how it looks. Pretty spicy, I guess. I don't know. Let's taste this afterwards. You gotta wait, boys. You gotta wait. So we'll be marinating it completely right now and leaving it for maybe an hour or two. So our chicken is well marinated and the pan is ready for cooking process. Let's get on to it now. So we have put the oil now. It's now hot. I think we're ready now. Put the chicken piece. So we have placed the skin part below. Okay, now we're gonna close it for a while. Look down the other side. Yeah, this is what I was warning about. We got this kind of a golden brown sizzling over there, but it has it has to be more. We'll do that later on. Okay, keeping it to the wall side and even on this side. Very much close to the wall. That's gonna do the job. The chicken is done and the onions go in to improve the taste, and we're gonna have it.